Welcome to my channel. I'm here with the introduction of another educational course. This is a comprehensive and project-based video editing course with Premiere Pro, covering everything from beginner to advanced levels. You will learn skills like creating titles, color correction, special effects, and working with green screen footage. It also teaches you how to earn money and enter the video editing job market. This course has over 72,000 students and a 4.6 rating, making it a successful and practical program. Its current price is around €20. By purchasing this course, you'll have full access to it and benefit from future updates. The course duration is 4.5 hours and includes 2 related articles. Upon completion, you will also receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn video editing from beginning to end and how to earn money with video. Create and development of project with the right settings for any type of video, from any camera. How to create clean and professional titles for your videos with motion. How to earn money with video. Visual effects like removing grain, and making video more cinematic. Green screen footage, background adjustment. And more. Now I want to share this exciting course with you for free and completely legally. To see how it works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then simply open your browser and go to Google search engine and type in the address discountedcourseninja.com. From the results shown to you, click on the link. Make sure the site address matches the one shown here and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to the homepage of the site. On this site, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find your desired course. You can also browse topics in the categories section to find what you're looking for. Here you will find our targeted course. Now scroll down and click on the button Get the Coupon. The course will be available for free for you. Note that the coupon has a limited time. Now you've accessed the free and legal version of this course with just a few clicks. If this video was useful for you, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.